EJEAS X10 problem with sound. I use a DJI external mic for better sound. Communication with EJEAS. Helmet 1. Helmet 2. Okay. Communication with helmet 1. Communication with helmet 2. Okay. First test, audio phone call. I put mic on helmet 2. Okay. I put helmet on head. Test sound. Helmet 1, helmet 2, phone call. The sound is okay. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 2. Mesh communication. Antenna. I put mic on helmet.
Mesh pairing. Pairing successful. Channel 1.
One. Test sound.
Test sound.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Big latency.
Big latency.
1 second.
1 second.
Test.
Test
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Test.
Test
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
And
And
4
4
quality.
quality.
Okay.
Okay.
Second test.
Second test. Test
Intercom.
intercom.
Mesh close. Intercom pairing. Pairing successful. Intercom connected.
Very good quality of sound. Test. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Very bad sound. Very bad sound. Test 1, 2, 3. music is okay. Audio of phone call is okay. Mesh big latency and intercom very poor sound.